If you're still wrestling with tangled cords and bulky vacuums in 2025, it's time to upgrade. Today's cordless vacuums are smarter, lighter, and stronger than ever, perfect for pet owners, busy households, and apartment living. In this video, we'll break down the top cordless vacuums of 2025 that combine serious power with grab-and-go convenience. Bissell Power Clean Fur Finder 200-watt cordless vacuum. Pet hair doesn't stand a chance with the Bissell Power Clean Fur Finder. Designed with a tangle-free brush roll, it's ideal for homes with shedding pets. The 200-watt motor delivers powerful suction, while the self-standing design, bright LED headlights, and removable battery add convenience. You also get an upholstery tool and wall mount for easy storage. It's perfect for pet parents who want fast cleanups and fur-free floors without the hassle. Check the description below to grab the Fur Finder at the best price. Shark Detect Pro Cordless Vacuum Ishar W1120. Shark Detect Pro brings efficiency and versatility in a sleek 2-in-1 design. With the PowerFin's brush roll, it digs deep into carpets and glides across hard floors without scattering debris. The convertible stick-to-handheld design makes it great for couches, corners, and car interiors. Stylish in ash, purple, and gray, this vacuum is ideal for anyone who wants Shark's cleaning power in a lightweight frame. Tap the description for live deals on the Shark Detect Pro. Dreame R20 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Dreame R20 offers 190 air watts of powerful suction and a smart dual brush head, making it a beast for any surface, from carpets to tile to hardwood. It runs up to 90 minutes on a full charge, and its blue tracking lights help reveal hidden dust. It's ultralight and quiet, making it a great choice for larger homes, pet hair, or anyone needing extended cleaning time without arm fatigue. Click the link in the description to learn more about the Dreame R20. Shark Stratos Cordless Vacuum IZ862H. This model is a tech upgrade with Clean Sense IQ, which detects dirt levels and auto-adjusts suction accordingly. Add in a multi-flex wand for under furniture reach, an odor neutralizer, and up to 60 minutes of runtime, and you've got a vacuum that adapts to your home. It also includes a duster crevice tool and anti-allergen brush, making it ideal for allergy-sensitive households. Tap the description to check out the Shark Stratos today. Dyson V11 Origin Cordless Vacuum. Dyson's V11 Origin remains a trusted name in the cordless vacuum space. Known for its intelligent suction control and powerful motor, it automatically adjusts to floor type and provides real-time battery stats on its LCD screen. With strong performance across all floor types and reliable battery life, it's a safe bet for anyone wanting proven Dyson performance in a refined package. Check out the Dyson V11 in the description below. Cordless vacuums in 2025 are no longer just convenient. They're essential. Whether you're a pet owner, a busy professional, or someone who just wants clean floors without the cord chaos, there's a perfect model waiting for you. All product links are in the description. Tap through, compare specs, and find your match. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more, and tell us in the comments. What feature matters most to you in a vacuum?